When she married at 17, Jamie was okay with her small-breasted figure, but after a year or so, that changed.
I started feeling self-conscious. I wasn't able to necessarily maybe wear the clothes that I wanted to wear, and I just felt self-conscious.
Jamie knew, of course, that breast augmentation was a possibility.
There was the option of having plastic surgery, which is kind of scary, thinking about doing that, but as I got a little bit older, I decided to look into it.
When she was 23, she went to a plastic surgeon's office, knowing only that he offered a free consultation.
The doctor looked at me, basically, and drew some lines on me, and that was pretty much it. I mean, I had about 5 minutes of the doctor's time.
Jamie left knowing she'd never be comfortable with that doctor, but she kept thinking about plastic surgery.
I then ended up having my son, so I can just put it off. But I was always thinking about it, for sure.
After Jamie was divorced, Steve came into her life, and he soon began hearing about her desire for a shapelier figure.
I told Steve that it was something that I was interested in doing, and he was not receptive at all. He said I was perfectly fine the way that I was.
I felt like it was dangerous. I didn't want my girlfriend at the time to go through a surgery like that.
And besides, says Steve,
I'm a small breast guy, and I always have been, and that's it. I'm happy with small breasts, and I don't need a big old breast to keep me happy.
But Jamie and Steve were married a year ago, and the issue came to a head when Jamie went shopping for a honeymoon vacation to Hawaii.
I wanted to feel good and look good, and I had a lot of trouble. I ended up buying a bathing suit that my grandma probably could have wore because I couldn't find anything that I thought was attractive on me. So I really started pushing for it after we got back from Hawaii.
Jamie, who works for the Postal Service, told Steve this was something she wanted to do for herself.
And I wanted to include him in the whole process so that he was comfortable with it too and knew that I wasn't looking to go huge. I just wanted to feel better about myself.
And this time, Steve got it.
I wanted her to be happy because she's my wife, and that's most important to me.
On the internet,